Hi guys, welcome back to your monthly dose of life-work balance. In this video, I dive into the concept of homeostasis, the body's innate ability to maintain internal equilibrium. Why is it important for optimal wellness? Let's find out. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina Cadini. I'm your holistic precision life and wellness coach and the creator of the Life Work Balance System, helping you live better, work smarter, and feel happier by prioritizing yourself with customized lifestyle changes. If you'd like to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications every time I have new content for you. What is homeostasis and why should we care in our modern life? Homeostasis is the internal equilibrium that ensures our body functions optimally within specific conditions. And this is crucial for our overall health and well being. The body constantly monitors all of its systems, and when it detects changes, it responds with certain mechanisms to actively restore stability. Examples of homeostasis mechanisms include temperature regulation, blood sugar control, pH balance, blood pressure regulation, hydration, and fluid balance. So as you can see, this covers pretty much the entire body. We're talking about the skeletal system that protects, stores minerals, aids movement, and supports the immune system through the bone marrow. The muscular system that enables movement, aids digestion, and generates heat for temperature regulation. Heart action is crucial for homeostasis. The respiratory system that adjusts breathing, maintains blood pH, and dissipates heat. The nervous system that controls actions, smooth muscles, glands, and hormone secretion. The digestive system that supplies nutrients, eliminates toxins, and supports the immune system. The cutaneous system that regulates temperature and synthesizes vitamin D. The endocrine system that regulates functions impacting bone growth, metabolism, energy, fluid balance, and more. The lymphatic system that controls blood volume, tissue fluids, removes waste, and supports immunity. The urinary system that also eliminates waste, regulates blood pressure, and stimulates red blood cell production. I mean, isn't our body amazing? All of this happening 24 hours a day behind the scenes while we conduct our normal life. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyle challenges this equilibrium. Factors like poor diet, chronic stress, sedentary habits, and excessive exposure to artificial lighting disrupt our body's natural balance, making it harder to maintain homeostasis. Now, why do you care about homeostasis in your coaching practice, you may ask? That's a great question because I'm not a doctor, right? However, helping my clients understand and integrate the concept of homeostasis into their lives can help them make sustainable lifestyle changes for improved health and happiness. In addition, I use an individualized approach, considering factors like genetics, personal experiences and preferences, and existing health conditions to enhance the effectiveness of their results. Here are some examples of how I contribute to my clients' long-term wellness and resilience, and I hope I can inspire you as well with this video, promoting a better quality of life. Optimized nutrition. By knowing the impact of nutrition on homeostasis, you can improve your blood sugar levels, hormonal balance, and overall energy equilibrium. Balanced movement. Adopting exercise routines that align with your individual needs and preferences enhances physical well-being and supports your body's regulatory systems. Quality sleep. Developing healthy sleep habits with good sleep hygiene can contribute to a balanced physiological state. Stress reduction. Practicing stress-reducing techniques not only supports mental well-being but also contributes to your overall physiological balance. And then body and mind connection. By emphasizing the connection between physical and mental health, you can enhance a positive mental state, supporting homeostatic balance. It's time for some tips to help you create a holistic approach to wellness, supporting your body's homeostatic mechanisms and promoting a harmonious partnership for outstanding results in every aspect of your life. Number one, listen to your body. Pay attention to the signals your body sends you to understand its unique requirements. Learn to interpret its cues, whether it's feelings of fatigue, hunger, or stress. 2. Nourish with nutrient-rich foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, incorporating a variety of vegetables and fruits, lean protein, healthy fats, and whole grains into your meals. Adopting mindful eating habits can also significantly enhance your partnership with your body. Slow down and savor each bite, paying attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. And avoid distractions like television or electronic devices while eating to be more in tune with your body's hunger and satiety cues. Additionally, staying hydrated is vital for supporting various bodily functions. So remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. 3. Practice physical activity. Find a variety of exercise routines that you enjoy, whether it's a workout at the gym, yoga, walking, or outdoor activities, or just move throughout the day. Your body loves to move and it functions better. Remember to stay consistent on most or all days of the week. 4. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest, repair, and regenerate. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Establish a bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. And then avoid stimulating activities such as using electronic devices at least an hour before bed. 5. Manage stress effectively. Find healthy ways to manage stress, especially chronic stress, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you love. Make self-care a priority and set aside time each day to relax and unwind. And 6. Foster emotional intelligence. Acknowledge and validate your emotions as they are essential signals from your body and mind system. Express and process emotions in healthy ways. Engage in activities that bring you joy, connect with loved ones, and seek support when needed. Remember, the partnership with your body is a lifelong journey. Your body is your ally on this journey, and together you can create a life of vitality, balance, and fulfillment. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you make positive changes, one small, consistent step at a time. If you find it challenging to adopt healthier lifestyle choices such as the ones I just shared with you, either because you don't think you have the time, or you don't know where to start, or you need accountability, you should consider working with me. My signature coaching program, Life-Work Balance, helps you master goals of any type, whether they pertain to your personal life or to your career, from establishing effective routines to optimizing nutrition, enhancing physical activity, improving sleep, lowering stress and anxiety, prioritizing self-care, and managing your time. Life-Work Balance seamlessly integrates the latest insights from epigenetics, neuroscience, chronobiology, and positive psychology. This unique blend not only supercharges your energy and focus, but also amplifies your productivity and performance, all while enhancing your overall well-being. Throughout the program, I will work closely with you to craft customized habits and maintain the momentum needed to help you achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively. You can find more information about Life-Work Balance in the info box below, and you're welcome to schedule a complimentary clarity call with me to discuss more in detail and see if the program is right for you. If you found this video helpful, I hope so, don't forget to share it with others, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and guidance. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.